Good morning. So today we are going to learn LVM. So what is the LVM? LVM is stand for Logical Volume Manager. So LVM is the best feature in Linux and which will be really used in real time. So let's learn LVM. Okay. So basically first you need to check if you have the LVM is configured on your system or not. Okay, so first check PV display. No LVM is there, no LVM is configured as of now. VG display, LV display. So you can verify using the three commands. If you run the PV display, VG display, LV display, and if there is no output, that means there is no LVM configured on your server. Okay, so if you want to configure the LVM, so what is the requirement? So basically, I am going to teach you the real-time scenario. Okay, so basically, suppose if you are working in any organization, and suppose if you want to configure the LVM, suppose if the requirement is LVM configuration, like suppose 2 GB. Okay, let's example. Someone has requested you from your team that 2 GB you need to configure the LVM. Okay, so what you should do? The first step you need to check if you have the space is available in LVM. So basically you can run the LVM disk scan. LVM disk scan command is showing the how many like disks available currently on your system. Suppose if you have the 3 disks available on your system. Okay, let's assume that there is no disks at the moment. Okay, so what is the first stage? The first stage you need to ask the storage team that they have to add the learn. Okay, so let's learn from the real-time scenario. Okay, because if you are going in an interview and if they ask you like how to do the LVM on face system, so you need to give them the real-time answer. So first of all you need to ask the storage team that you need 2 GB LUN or 2 GB disk. So basically what they will do. Okay, so suppose if in your environment if you are using the VM, so basically virtual machine. So what they will do, storage team, so they will just add the 2 GB disks for you. So basically they will go here, they will add 2 GB disks for you. Okay, once they will add the 2 GB disks, they will notify you that they have been added the 2 GB disks. So how you will verify over here? So first command is fdisk -l, fdisk -l to search if the disk is added or not from them. So basically 3 disks is already there. If you see the LVM disk scan, no disks have been added. So how to scan the disks? So command is echo. This is very important. This class host scan. These are the controllers you need to scan, and then run the command LVM disk scan. See, the 2 GB disks have been added. SDD, earlier is there only SDD, SDC, SDB. Now here SDD, SDC, SDD and SDE. So SDA disks have been added. Okay, so disks have been added. So basically what you will do, you need to create first PV. So currently there is no PV. So what is the command to create the PV? Simple command is there, PV create /dev SDE. So now you have created the PV. How to check? pv display command is showing that you have been created one pv and the pv disk name is dev sd. Okay, there is, as of now, there is no vg, disk has not added at the vg at the moment, and the pv size is 2 GB, no allocation done, and this is the pv uuid. Okay, so now let's create the vg. So currently there is no vg, so if you want to create the vg, command is vg create. So let's create the data vg, and you need to add the disk dev sde. Okay, vg is created. If you want to check whether vg is created or not, vg display command. Okay, vg display command is showing the data vg is created, and you are currently using the LVM2, and this type of information you will see from the vg display output. Okay, now there is no LVM. Okay, so you need to create the LV. So command is lv create minus capital L. So you need to create 1 GB LV. So 1 plus 1G, you need to give the name of the LV, like let's say data LV, and you need to specify the VG name, data VG. Okay, you have created LV. So if you want to specify, so if you want to verify whether you have created LV or not, so this command is LV display, and you can see here data LV is created. So now you need to format this LV. So currently we are using the RHEL7. Okay, so for format mkfs xfs /dev, then you have to give the VG name data VG, then you have to give the LV name data LV. Okay, now you have formatted. Now you need to mount. So mount /dev data VG and data LV, and there is already directories data DB. So I have been mounted over there data DB. If you do the df-h command, you can see your LV is mounted on data DB. So you need to make entry in etc fs tab file. So you just copy this line, etc fs tab. Okay, give the file system name data DB, file system type xfs, defaults, now you can see the your VG, LV and file system also mounted. Okay, so now suppose if there is a requirement, it came again. Okay, so someone is asking you from your team that you need to add the 500 MB over the data DB. Okay, and you need to do the extension of this file system online activity, and if this is a production server, if it is a production server, no need to worry, you just need to extend the 500 MB, but the main point is required there should be available space. So how to check? So first check the VGS command. In VGS command you can see here VG name data VG, one PV is there. Okay, if you do the PVS command, one PV is there and one LV is there, data LV is there, and the VG size was 2 GB and currently available is 120 MB. So you can extend the 500 MB. So suppose if someone is asking you to extend the 500 MB, so before extending the file system you have to first verify whether the space is available in VG or not. If it is not available, you can specify them that there is no space, we need to ask the one more disk from the storage team. Okay, and if there is already space, you can extend on the fly. So how to extend? LV extend capital L plus 500 MB /dev data VG and data LV. Okay, you have been extended. So now you need to grow that extension. So command is xfs grow fs /dev data vg and data lv. It has been extended. You see df-h data db, it's now extend 1.5 GB. Earlier it was only it has been extended 1.5 GB is available. Earlier we have given only 1 GB, okay, and now it's 1.5 GB is available. Okay, so 500 MB it has been extended. So yeah, see the output is okay. So now this activity has been successfully completed. Okay, so I'm going to upload the next video for reduce the partition. Then we can see the lot of like real-time activity in the next videos. Please subscribe my channel, and if you really like my videos, please hit the icon, and please likes my video. Thank you so much.